Hi, I'm Daisy.
Hi, I'm Ophelia.
And today we're going to show you a really simple and easy natural makeup look.
I'm excited.
Yay! Okay, when choosing your foundation, I would really recommend to go for like a nice, light, dewy, radiant foundation. Especially as we age, we lose that collagen in our skin, so we need to inject that moisture and hydration and dewiness into the skin. I always like to prep my sponge with a spray to then also add a little bit of dewiness to it, and it will just really sink into the skin seamlessly, so you can apply and just blot and press in the product.
It feels so much more hydrating now you've done it with the spray as
Yeah.
well. Sometimes I don't, which I think is quite naughty, isn't it?
Yes,
Supposed to wet the sponge.
Exactly. It just helps to just sink the product into the skin, so it's really easy then to blend.
It looks lovely. It feels nice on as well.
Spin you. When applying your concealer, I just like to do two little lines. So you're just gonna do one line right here, and that's gonna help to brighten underneath the eye. And then you're gonna do a little line here, and that's gonna help to lift the eye. Again, I like to dampen my sponge and then just blend this in, patting and pressing away, but not too hard. You just wanna seamlessly blend that in.
And do you do it directly underneath the eye as well?
I do, so I like to just blend that right underneath the eye here and then get right into that inner corner as well, just to make sure we're brightening there.
Oh, that's so good, because I often only did down here, so actually you do it in the corner of the eye.
whole
You make it-
area,
yeah, exactly.
absolutely.
Really
You can
brighten
even
it.
just drag it down to create more of a triangle shape as well if you've got more darkness that comes down to here.
Oh, we do love a bright eye.
Oh, we do, look at that.
Look how much brighter my eyes look.
You look gorgeous, you look awake.
Oh, yes, yes, love it.
If you struggle with your concealer sinking into the lines underneath your eyes, I'd really recommend going in with a primer before you go in with your foundation and concealer, and make sure you set your concealer with your powder as well.
Such a great tip. My eyes are coming alive.
Yay.